welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. In today's video we are going to talk about the TV game TV10. TV game TV10. Alright, nevertheless. This is more like a PlayStation 1 clone. And did it open it up? It looks pretty damn bust up. It looks exactly the same like the other side. Alright, so we're getting two controllers, a little pistol, and the system itself, and it seems to be a video game. Okay, very curious. Didn't open it up before, so very curious if it's inside the package. In the package. Ooh, plastic. Ah! If there's no game. Oh wow, my cover. There is no cover. Ah! There is no game and there is no cover. Oh, this is a big bummer. So yeah, what are we going to get? Let's start with the system itself. We having two controller ports, and this one only having one, only one connection for sound. Oh yeah, here it is, the basic controller that I've seen so many times with all those Chinese knockoff systems. And comes with this. Did I seriously just break it? Oh my god, I just broke the damn thing. It's so flimsy plastic. Oh my god. Well, yeah, never that. Alright, and a second controller. Okay, there's a cable, flimsy. And oh my, I'm not going to use this one. Oh, this is so very cheap. Okay, we're going to open it up. We're going to open it up. Alright, and let's play some games after that. Alright, so let's grab myself a screwdriver and let's open it up. Only two screws in this thing, so not a very hard thing to do. Alright, I think this is done. We're going to open up. Wow! How can you make a power supply? Let's zoom in. Alright people, so this is what we're going to get. They basically, I think they basically use this cable for connecting the pin here on the PCB board. Wow. Oh, here it is. It's still connected. I have opened up a couple of these very horrible cheap power supply. Most of them were broken. But this, personally, I will never use this. It's very dangerous. Okay, so the first question is, does it have built-in games? No, it doesn't have built-in games. Boo-hoo! Ah. Right, I'm just going to use this multi-card for once, but wow, I'm moving the cartridge, you can see. It's not making very good connection. Okay, keep it this way. Wow! I must say, it's a very tiny controller, but the buttons are made for rubber. I like it. Very responsive. Okay, let's play some games. Okay, grab. The controller feels very flimsy, but oh my god, the buttons are very nice. What is the beeping sound? This is so horrible. The emulation, or that's not the emulation, let's put it this way, though, it's pretty damn horrible how this thing converts the original cartridge into a signal output. It's just so wrong. I'm gonna pick you up. Yeah, sorry guys, it's a long time. I just needed to play this game again. Is it? Yeah, moving the cartridge and it makes better contact. So horrible that this thing is. Okay, we're going to play this game without killing enemies. Challenge sector accepted wicked. Come on, let's go. Yeah. No. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, bring it on, bring it on. Super power. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. Oh, almost. I need to finish it, I need to finish it, I need to finish it. I can do it, I can do it now. Mission accomplished. Every time I'm pressing the reset button, everything looks freaking fucked up. Come on. Okay, it's the best signal I can get from now. Oh yeah, of course. Nightwolf looks like Shao Kahn. Mortal Kombat 4 on the NES. It can't get more weirder than this. Got him in the corner, got him in the corner. Get an angle of this. Come on, man. Come on. Get in the punish corner. It's official. You're getting in the punish corner. Come on. Come on, you cheesy computer. How can you even hit me? Nope. Nope. So people, I was thinking, do you know what? Let's do a little bit of a teardown include in this video. It's already broken in many ways. Or broken, it's not working perfectly and the cover is missing. So let's do a little bit on teardown. Let's see what's inside this cheap fake base one mini slim. Because it is basically a rip-off from the PlayStation 1 Slim. Not the mini classic they have released. No, this is a really old one. Alright, 4 screws. Let's open it up. Of course I'm keeping it upside down. Everything is falling out already. So we're in the top cover. Wow. This is it, people. This is the only thing that is inside. Alright. Let's talk about this one. This is the PCB board that gives the power juice and signal out. So this little ribbon cable, okay, you call this ribbon cable, goes to the middle one. This one is for entering your game. I see there is no chip on this thing, so no, there is no built-in games. That is something I know for sure now. We're having here the reset button, power button, and small LED. Was this still working? I can't remember. That thing was on, but nevertheless. That's it, and we're having the two boards. Are just the same like the Atari and the Mega Drive. Right, so this is what we're going to get inside. It's nothing much more like plastic, a lot of air, and a lot of PCB boards. Okay, let's put it back together. And that's it. So people, for the final conclusion about this 8-bit PlayStation 1 ripoff. It's a little bit of a bummer that it's missing the cover. It's missing the cartridge, because that is the biggest bummer. And yeah, the pistol is just broken. It's flimsy plastic. This is what you're going to get. Yeah, I think other collectors for these things, and overall this is not really collectible anymore because it's just basically broken. The connector is very weird out, so if you put a cartridge in, as you have maybe noticed in the video, when moving around for getting a clear image. This is what you're going to get. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell for more awesome Wicked content. And if you're into gaming, check out our Wicked Gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.